I wanted to find if there is a Python library that translates or decode Morse code to text and text to Morse code. I found a lot of them, but I selected to talk about this one, PyTXT to Morse. I found that this is the most simple one. It does the job required. It converts from Morse to text and text to Morse. It's case insensitive and it requires no dependency, so no external packages is required. It's written in pure Python. To use the library, it's simple. Just run the command pip install pytxt to Morse, and of course hit return. After installing the library, you import pytxt to Morse and then use it either to translate text to Morse or to translate Morse to text. So for example, we are going to first run the example in the PI page. So when you run the example, you should have this result. So we have the first text, hello world, converted to Morse, and vice versa, Morse code converted to text. It's the same text converted. If I want other word, for example, hello, can run it. Gives me hello. Or this is the Morse code for hello. I can copy it and use it here. And then I have hello. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.